I'm Uday, a professional 3D artist with expertise in Blender. I specialize in creating high-quality 3D models for a wide range of industries, including product visualization, gaming, architecture, and more. My process is client-focused. I begin by understanding your vision, provide regular updates, and ensure timely delivery with attention to detail. Why choose my 3D modeling service? High-quality models, crafted with precision using Blender, ensuring your designs look realistic and professional. Custom solutions. I tailor each model to meet your specific needs. Whether it's for product visualization, animations, or game assets, clear communication, I keep you informed at every stage of the project. Ensuring your vision comes to life as expected, your satisfaction is my priority, and I'm happy to make adjustments to ensure you get exactly what you need. Ready to take your project to the next level? Contact me today, and let's create something amazing together. Check out my portfolio, and let's start your next project.